Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Gyptian's Wine Slow certified silver in the UK. The 2011 hit single was on Friday certified silver by the British phonographic industry BPI for sales exceeding 200,000 units. The song was released on Russian's Real Rhythm, which also features other top tracks like Leaving You Lonely by Jamil, Galdem Song by Concha, and San Juanim by Vibes Cartel. Gyptian has seen success in the UK market before, as Hold You was certified platinum for sales exceeding 600,000 units. Now back in February, Vibes Cartel's 2016 mega hit single Fever was also certified silver in the United Kingdom by the BPI for selling more than 200,000 units. Shania Twain calls on the country music industry to be more inclusive. Now rapper and country singer Jelly Roll, who took home his first CMA award, won big, taking home trophies for Male Video of the Year, Breakthrough Male of the Year, and a digital first video for his churchy country rock power ballad Son of a Singer. Donna Taylor is set to play the great Dionne Warwick in her upcoming biopic. Taylor, an American singer turned actress, confirmed her role in a recent interview on the Tamron Hall show, adding that filming for the movie was already underway.
I've always been a firm believer and just always stood on safety, you know what I'm saying? And she's had a wonderful career, and I think right now is about making her feel as safe as possible to be able to tell her story, because a lot of these stories get misconstrued or extremely dramatized to an extent, and that's not really where we want to go.
Warwick back in 2020 tweeted that she would like to see Tiana playing her role. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daydran. Thank you for watching.